if you are looking for gallery on Realme GT 7T, then we have two options, and both of these options are actually called photos. So you can find one by default in the home screen, the other one is available in the Google folder. You can of course also find both of them in the app drawer. In my case, they are over here. So what is the difference between them? The main difference is that the purple one is made by Realme and the other one is made by Google. So depending on your needs, you might choose one or the other. For example, if you want to have easy backups and synchronization with your Google accounts, then most likely you want to stick with the Photos app made by Google. Both of them still look and work pretty much the same. They are almost the same, of course. There are small differences here and there, but generally speaking, you have access to all your photos and videos by using both of them. For some of the easier accesses, like for smooth experience, etc., I think actually this one is better, the purple one, instead of the Google one, as sometimes it is a little bit more difficult to find photos, specific photos and specific videos using the Google app. So you might want to give this one a try, but feel free to, of course, use anything else. And as you can see, it looks like a typical gallery. We have everything over here. We have some filters here. We can tap on these three dots in order to find some more options and even settings. We can go to albums in order to find some different categories, folders, and even the locked folder. And clean up suggestions as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.